Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this WORX cordless 40-volt snow thrower shovel. First, let's go ahead and take a look at what's included in the box when you get the package. So in the box, we're going to get two 20-volt batteries. Each battery comes with an indicator. Each battery is 4 amp hours. That's pretty good size and will last a long time when clearing the snow off the driveway and sidewalks. Uses the WORX PowerShare battery, which you can use on a lot of the WORX equipment, such as the yard tools or the power tools for construction and things like that. So that adds another convenience. If you already have the WORX batteries, you can use those on this unit. It includes those two batteries, which is already $120 value right there. There is a charge life indicator on each battery. You just press the button and it shows you how charged it is or if it needs to be recharged. Comes with a dual battery fast charger, which is a quick reset and recharge for your batteries to get you back to work or get you ready for the next time you need to use this shovel or other tools. Comes with the instructions manual. The snow shovel is folded in half, so you'll just need to straighten it out and tuck in the wires and attach the bolt with the Allen wrench size 5. So this is the WG460 model, and it is a 12-inch space right here. That's how wide your lines are going to be when you're clearing snow. And you can change this to throw in the right direction, left direction, or straight ahead. And the cool thing is it's going to throw up to 25 feet away. And this is what it looks like. There are speed controls, lower speed and high speed. And then you would need to press the safety button in order to engage it with this throttle right here. Changing the snow direction is pretty simple. You just lift this and turn it just like that. I noticed that the grip is pretty convenient and easy to handle this shovel. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but that also helps with keeping it closer to the ground when you're clearing the snow. So that's pretty cool. This rod here is aluminum built, so that's very good quality. And overall, a very nice product. So this is my other shovel that I have, but you can see how WORX is very solid with the build, and it is higher than a lot of these that are available online. This is a 20-volt, by the way, not 40. They have the handle linked about the same, where you grab and control everything, but on the WORX, we have the power unit up top out of the way, and makes it more powerful, more convenient, and easier to use, in my opinion, of course. Just for comparison, if you're getting one of those on Amazon at approximately $100 to $150 mark, this is approximately what you're going to get, especially from a brand that is not very well known in the States. But WORX is very popular. It's sold in a lot of the big box stores and online. Also, the fact that I can use the batteries on other tools that I have, that helps out a lot. If I need to buy, for example, another weed trimmer from WORX, I'll be able to use the batteries. So that's kind of what I like to stick to, is not having a whole bunch of different brand batteries. I want to have a certain set that I use for all my tools, and that's the benefit of getting a well-recognized brand product. Let me know what you think in the comments below. See if you like this. if you think it's a good investment for snow shovel, or if you'd rather prefer the gas blower, for example, or like a 80 volt snow throwers out there. Haven't had one of those to check yet, but maybe this winter or next might need to invest in it. My driveway does not require that. This is plenty for me right now for my sidewalk and the driveway. If this review was helpful for you, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.